Is your Surface Pro plugged in but not charging, stuck at the same percentage, or showing plugged in not charging? In this video, I'll show you the most common reasons why this happens and the simple fixes you can try before replacing the charger or battery. Step 1. Check the charging light. First, check the small LED light on the Surface charger. If the light is on, the charger is getting power. If the light is off, blinking, or flashing, unplug the charger from the Surface and the wall, wait for 10 seconds, then plug it back in. Make sure the connector is fully attached to the Surface. Step 2. Test the wall outlet. Make sure the power outlet is working properly. Plug another device into the same outlet and see if it turns on. Avoid loose sockets, damaged power strips, or weak extension boards because they can stop the Surface Pro from charging correctly. Step 3. Clean the charging port. Turn off your Surface Pro and unplug the charger. Check the Surface Connect port and charger tip for dust, dirt, or debris. Clean them gently with a dry, soft cloth. Do not use water or liquid cleaner. After cleaning, reconnect the charger and check if charging starts. Step 4. Flip the charger connector. The Surface Connect charger can attach in both directions. Remove the connector, flip it over, and plug it back in. If one side is not making proper contact, flipping the connector can sometimes fix the charging issue. Step 5. Restart your Surface Pro. Restarting your Surface can fix temporary charging detection problems. Click Start, select Power, and choose Restart. Keep the charger plugged in after the restart and check the battery icon again. Step 6. Force restart the device. If your Surface Pro is frozen or not responding, press and hold the power button until the screen turns off. Wait a few seconds, then press the power button again. This can help when Windows is not reading the battery or charger correctly. Step 7. Check Smart Charging. If your Surface Pro stops charging at 80%, Smart Charging may be turned on. This feature helps protect the battery when the device stays plugged in for a long time. Open the Surface app, go to Battery and Charging, and check if Smart Charging is active. You can choose to charge to 100% when needed. Step 8. Check Battery Limit Mode. If your Surface Pro stops charging at 50%, Battery Limit Mode may be enabled. This mode is usually used when the device stays connected to power for long periods. Check the Surface app or UEFI settings and turn off Battery Limit Mode if you want normal charging. Step 9. Use the correct charger. A weak or incorrect charger can cause charging problems. If you are using a third-party charger or a low-power USB-C charger, it may not provide enough power. Use the original Surface charger or a charger that matches your Surface Pro's power requirements. Step 10. Update Windows and firmware. Outdated drivers or firmware can cause charging problems. Open Windows Update and install all available updates. Also, open the Surface app and check for Surface driver or firmware updates. Keep the charger connected during the update process.